Come on, baby, I got no time to waste. Come on, baby, you're gonna like it once you get a taste. I got a feeling in my heart, something good.
I love D-Dogs, they're the best. D-Dogs makes my weekends delightful.
Watch me.
Alpha Phi wants D-Dogs to sponsor our Rock and Red Dress Poker Tournament silent auction benefiting the Alpha Phi Foundation.
Come on, let's do the hot dog.
We love D-Dogs!
And I got the buns. Come on, baby, are you ready for a little fun? I got enough for more than just 1 mile. I got a hot dog in each hand, and that's a hot dog, hot dog. Watch me eat a hot dog. Hot dog, hot dog. Come on, do the
Sauces and the dogs. Sauces and the dogs. And the specials. What is it, 2 dogs, and chips and a drink, $5? Can't beat that. Dogs. Right.
Rockathon is AAPI's biannual philanthropy, and we're so excited that D-Dogs has chosen to help us with the fight against cancer.
I can eat 1, or I could eat 3.
D-Dogs is awesome. D-Dogs rocks my world.
D-Dogs, yeah!
You're hungry too, I can see. So come on and take a bite of me. And it's a hot dog, hot dog. Watch me.
Hi, my name is Daniel Brick, owner of D-Dogs. Help us help college students give back to their community.
Do the hot dog.